In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to organize your team discussions or streamline your communications, setting up a dedicated channel can make all the difference. So, let's get started and navigate this process together. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and look towards the top left corner where you'll find the Communities option. This is your starting point for managing and accessing all the groups and teams you're involved with. Once you're there, go ahead and find the community where you want to create a new channel. This step is crucial as it ensures the channel you create is precisely where you want the discussions to take place. Next, click on the Add Channel option. This is typically visible in the settings or menu related to your particular community. The channel is essentially a subgroup within your team designed for more focused conversations on specific topics, so it's a great way to keep things neat and orderly. Now it's time to get creative and give your channel a name. For example, if this new channel is intended for social media related discussions, you might choose something straightforward, like social media. Naming your channel with a clear and relevant title helps everyone in the community quickly understand its purpose and makes it easier for team members to locate the topics they're interested in. After naming your channel, simply press the Add button, and just like that, you've created your channel. You might find that as your project evolves or your team's needs change, you may want to add more channels in the future. If that's the case, repeat this straightforward process. Select Add Channel, choose an appropriate name, and click Add. Organizing your conversations into separate channels helps maintain focus and clarity. It can significantly enhance your team's ability to collaborate effectively by providing dedicated spaces for various subtopics or department-specific discussions. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. Remember, having distinct channels not only streamlines your communication, but also ensures that your team stays productive and aligned with the goals you're working towards. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.